Okay, so I think I found why I was getting an error. Well, not getting an error, but getting no path results, because I didn't add this return path at the end of the, the try moving forward function. The try moving forward function is expecting the path. So I'm just gonna get back to where I was. And also try moving forward function had this like big if statement where if next tile is not undefined thing, so that was actually checked already. So I'm just gonna delete the whole big if here. It's got some deeper thing happening, but I'm just gonna call it okay for now. So let's get back and see the results again. So if I click it, this guy has some errors maybe. So it's checking, and finally pass no array. That's not cool. That's not cool at all. Let's go back again. Okay, so this is not fixed. So why is that? So one block checked because he's got only one array. Moving forward, it's returning 12. So the 12 pass already, and it's only returning 1 at the end because its path is overridden instead of being pushed. So if something is previously visited, it just erases the whole thing, because previously visited path return the paths, right? And moving forward, previously visited return path. Paths should be always pushed and sent back to the original function. Should I just bring it back to the push thing? I'm not sure, but let's see how it's gonna make change. The push path is pushed. So this is looking better. Although it kind of took a while, like it didn't really give me the results instantly. Okay, so moving forward a step. Okay, so I think it's a step forward. Let's delete it. So some tiles are not like reachable, and it should be, but see, it's because this one, if you maybe you can't. Okay, so what if you click this guy? Does it go? No, it goes forward and then turns and go all the way and make a long way instead of going back, moving backwards. So this check for the previously visited tiles, it's not really functioning very well. Okay, so this movement isn't really going anywhere actually, because it's not, it looks like it's making a wrong turn here. So this guy can go a variety of spots. Let's see if he wants to go this tile. Good. But if he wants to go to this tile, he did it. Where was the part that he did like weird move? So like if he wants to go to this tile, go there. Actually quite good. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed up the animation. Maybe not. Let's do it one more time. So why he can't go back? Like, why is that? Why can't he go to this block? Because he's making a weird turn in order to, before he even gets here. Okay, so this is weird. So why was that? Let's check this. Previously visited. Check if previously visited. Okay, now moving forward. 0.13, and like the next tile is constant. Okay, so going behind 8, that's 9, 10, 11.5, 12.5, yeah, and then turn to 13.5, 15, so that's good. But then again, turning like right and going one step forward is taking around 13.5. Well, it also seems like it's not really refreshing the path information after reload. Oh, he can't move, can't he? So if it only takes 6 constant points here, so this doesn't have to be consuming 13 points, but let's see, turning around, going that way and going that way. So he's making like a wrong way because he can just come here, right? So why is he not doing that? No, but so what happens if I click this? Turn, turn, turn. Why made 3 turns? That's possible. Why did you just make 3 turns? Okay, so I think I'm going to make a new feature, stage.svelte. And what it is when I create a unit and units add unit and units get all and unit is created, right? And when I'm done with that, okay, I'm just gonna make add temporary thing. So when it is initialized and if the ID is equals to 0, then I would suggest that camera is document get element by ID, it's called rig, and camera set attribute position init position. So whenever it's loaded, the camera would move to center the guy. It is big. Oh, okay, so when it's clicked, so I'm positioning it be here. Okay, so let's reload. So and it's initialized. See, it's centered. And this guy only have what? 2. But it's taking like 13 points to just turn right and move. What? That is because making 3 turns, but it's good. I think I'm going to improve the rotation feature. So what was it? Move. What is it? Move forward. No. Animate function. So stage should have what? Move unit feature, yes. So if it's rotating back, we have to set from as well. And in order to do that, so it's not like going to modify the rotation like this. It should be, it's the same thing with the moving forward. You should just set from or and direction and start direction as well. Okay, so where was it? Stage, find path, move forward. Not move forward, but find path. Find path function would have, yes, so it movement. Okay, so this is it. So start Y rotation and Y rotation. You should specify that. And start Y rotation and Y rotations, because these should be defined already. Let start Y rotation and Y rotation is defined. And okay, so if you say start Y south and turning right means east, and Y rotation is it's I think -90. North, if you're looking at north, start 180 and 290. West, you're facing 270 degrees and you will end up at 180. East, so south is at 0, north is at 800, west, and so that's 90 to 0. And that should be inserted, and this is the same thing. Start Y rotation, Y rotation, and Y rotation, and it's the same thing. It's, well, I'm just gonna, if it's south 0 and to 90. Oh wait, this is making right turn, so I think I was making it wrong. South to east is 0 to, yeah, minus negative. So south to west is negative, right? South to east is positive 90. North to west is opposite, but west to south 230 to 360. East to north is 180. 0 to minus 90. North to east is 180 to 90. West to north is 270 to 180. East to south is 20, which is from 90, sorry. So that is saved. And so move forward function should have path and Y rotation from. Okay, so now start Y rotation. So that should be the same for turning left. And the rotation calculation is not needed. For 111.5, let's click 4. Didn't turn. Is it because I forgot to add the semicolon here? It's likely that. Okay, now it's going. The speed is 15. If the speed is 15, then you should see more tiles, but it's not actually doing it, because I think it's so it's after moving forward, it's not continuing, what it should do. It is always ending with moving forward, and to make a right turn, he's failing to make right turn. In fact, he's not making any right turn at all. He only makes left turn. Funny. What is it? Position should be updated. That's a new tile's position. Well, new tile is not passed. Oh, next tile. Next tile position. It's the same thing. It's next tile. Okay. Now I'm talking. So to go this, it consumes 4 points. To get here, it consumes 11 points. And to get here, it's 13 points. That is because you're making left turn all the time. Okay, so previous path is updated, but never that's why never updated. So move forward, within move forward, the previous path is updated, but it never returned. It's never returned. So what I should do is return it. As an array. And move forward should take an array with previous path. Sometimes doesn't give me a right path. Can you